Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Aesthetics with me. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make videos like this, photos like this on VideoStar Paid. So before you get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly, bye-bye, you can leave. So what you're gonna do, and before I start, this is VideoStar Paid, by the way, and I'm very sorry if you don't have it, but the only thing you really need is just pretty much just multi-layer, I think. So you're gonna go into VideoStar, click the plus button, then select song, just choose a random song. It doesn't need to be your favorite or anything, just a random one. Then you can import the photo that you want to make the cool background with. I really hope I'm making sense, I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna choose this one because this one looks cutie. Okay, sorry. Then you're gonna go on to new multi-layer. The first layer should be this one. Then you're gonna mask the person like this. And it doesn't need to be perfect because you are going to do something with it. Okay, done and done. Then you are going to go on to color and search up Hollow Fuzz 2 and make it white, and you can increase this a little bit. Then create, then new multi-layer, and the overlays I use will be at the end of the video. So you're gonna import this overlay, import, and you're gonna go into color and search up monochrome, and you can use this little scrolly thingy to determine your color. So I'm just gonna do like a purple, I guess. Okay, create. Then you're gonna go on to multi-layer again, and you are going to import this overlay. Ooh, no. Okay, yeah, this overlay, import. Then monochrome again, and make it purple. Create. Okay, then go on to multi-layer, and you're gonna take this photo that you made in the beginning, and take this colored overlay, click on color, and search up blend BG. Then click on this arrow and select the fourth option across, and you can zoom in a bit and adjust it if you don't like it. Then click create. Okay, now go on to multi-layer, take the original photo, go on to color and monochrome, and make it purple, or if you chose yellow, make it yellow or red, and so on. Then the second layer should be this little dot overlay, blend BG. Third layer should be this one that we just created, and blend BG that. And you can zoom in a little bit if you don't like the way it looks. Then go on to the fourth layer, click the original photo, add mask, and once again mask the person. And for this one, make it good because it's like the final thing. You know what I mean? Okay, so just mask that. Done. Then you're gonna search up on the color thing, saturation, and just decrease it a bit. And there you go. Voila. I hope this video helps, and I look forward to, I don't know what to say, but I hope this video helps. Goodbye.